Want to get a beautiful, rich, kind, smart girl? Okay, you fought hard to improve yourself, you're more developed. And now you're trying to find a high-value woman as a partner. I'll tell you one simple thing, which is to use less gadgets, when you're approaching or when you're with a girl. How come this can help you get a high-value woman? Let me explain. First, by reducing the use of gadgets when looking for a partner, you will be kept away from online dating and various online dating applications. There is nothing wrong with online dating. This method is too random. If you want to meet a high-value woman, the logic is this: if you want to meet a smart girl, meet her in a place where they can educate themselves, on campus, school, seminars, workshops and so on. If you want to meet a kind-hearted girl, meet them in places that prove their kindness, such as in places of worship, at charity events or in various social activities. These places are clearly more targeted than you meet on online dating apps. In addition, it will really train your mentality to talk, meet, get to know girls directly. This will make you a bolder, more relaxed guy and not phobic of women. Second, by reducing the use of gadgets when looking for a mate, this can really help filter out unqualified girls. High-value woman will not spend her time looking for a guy online. If you mostly go online, only know girls in the app, you will meet a lot of toxic, unqualified, immature girls. Your time will be used up to serve girls like that. What a loss, right? Better yet, find a mate in the real world. Third, being away from gadgets makes you a guy who is not needy when approaching or when in a relationship with a girl. The needy nature makes girls lose interest in you. Imagine, after the road, meeting, and still chatting and video calling, so, there is no distance created between you. The girl doesn't have time to miss and think about you. When you don't depend on cell phones, your needy nature will be much reduced, and the quality of your interactions with girls will be much better. High-value woman who automatically also has a full schedule, will be much more respectful of guys who are not needy, who are willing and able to appreciate when there is distance between the two of you. This is also important, bro. When you meet a girl, you will not be engrossed in gadgets. How many couples do you see in public places, who are already at the table, have met, but instead are engrossed in their own cell phones? Waste your time, bro. You should be able to talk to each other, understand each other, or tell each other about the future, stories about your family or dreams, or at least be quiet while enjoying the atmosphere is also not a problem. Indeed, at the beginning it will be difficult, strange, and confused when you meet, but don't hold a cell phone. But look at our fathers and mothers, our grandparents. When they date, they don't carry cell phones, they chat, focus on appreciating their partners instead of being absorbed in their own fantasy world. This way they can bring their partners to the aisle, until you can be born, right? Reduce the use of gadgets when you're with a girl, and this will naturally make you more able to appreciate women, can make you more humanized, and this trait is really cool in the eyes of high-value women. In conclusion, if you want your approach process to bring you more to meet a high-value woman, as well as to mature yourself as a man, reduce the use of gadgets when you want to approach a woman. This will help you filter out more qualified girls, will better train your mentality and personality as a man, and will shape you into a man who can humanize humans. Never give up.